In today's shifting housing market, overpricing your home is a big mistake. Most sellers we work with want to maximize their sales price, minimize the hassles, and sell their house as quickly as possible. But while we're still in a seller's market, things have changed from just a few months ago, and we need to consider how to price your home based on where we are right now. Here are a few of the benefits of pricing your house right. When you price it at market value, you'll help boost interest in your home so you can attract more buyers. And when you do, you'll maximize your sales price. Plus, when you price your home right, it will sell faster. That's why you don't want to overshoot your target price. Price it too high and it'll sit on the market or require a price reduction. Price it too low and it may lead buyers to think something's wrong and cause you to leave money on the table. Hitting the bullseye is what we do, and as your realtors, we'll look at all the factors to help you maximize your sales price in today's shifting market. This is Jim Lee with Remax Shoreline in Portsmouth, New Hampshire.